Today we have with us the Petron Dynamo Pro 10,000 mAh 18 watt fast charging power bank. As we can see from the box, this is a made in India product. Let's see if we can find any more features on the box mentioned. Okay, so we've got some specifications over here. We've got a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh. We've got two input ports including a type C and a micro USB. We've got two output ports including type C and USB. We've got input-output voltages of 5 volts, 9 volts and 12 volts. So as you can see, we've got some specifications here. We've got a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh. We've got two input ports and two output ports including type C and USB for output and micro USB for input. We've got overcharge protection, over discharge protection, over current protection, over voltage protection, short circuit protection, high temperature protection and reverse connection protection. So let's take a look inside the box. So here we've got a warranty card from Petron. Let's keep that aside. What else do we have inside the box? We've also got a cable inside the box. This is a type C to USB type A cable which comes included inside the box. And as for the power bank itself, here's the power bank. As you can see, it's got a nice brushed finish on one side and a matte finish on the other side. This is only on the front of the power bank, and if we turn it around we can see it's more of the matte finish that's present on the side. We've got the button over here, or the indicator that shows us the charge, and we've also got LED indicators to indicate how much charge is left inside the power bank for 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. And as you can see here, we've got the output ports. We've got the USB type A, the micro USB and the type C port. As you can see, this is both in and out. This is for charging and this is for fast charging. And there you have the Petron Dynamo Pro 10,000 mAh 18 watt fast charging power bank. Thanks for watching.